This is WIKO U Pulse, and today I will show how you can connect this device to VPN. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. So let me quickly do that. So once the app is ready, you can just go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the agree and continue button. Then skip this ad, or close it rather. And finally, in order to connect your device to VPN, tap at the carrot icon over there. And wait for this cute rabbit to do its magic and connect your device to VPN. So sometimes the connection might fail, that's completely normal. Just open the server list and manually connect yourself to any server other than the first one. And as you can see, this time it connected we have connected ourselves with no issue or problem. While at it, you can change the server country or even the city that you are connected to, like that. And finally, if you would like to turn the VPN off, tap at the cross icon, choose the disconnect option, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.